Hello guys, I'm Kuro channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can share your Google Calendar on your mobile device. So we're gonna start from making an event. Choose the section for this and click the save. You can see here I have a heart. Okay, now open your web browser and type in the Google Calendar. Then choose the shareable online calendar. Now tap on the three-dot icon and switch your site to the desktop site. Now we have to log in. Remember to log in to the same account. You can see here we have our event. Now if you want to share it, just hold the finger on your calendar that you want to share it and click three-dot icon. Now choose the settings. And slide a little down to the share with specific people. Now just tap on the add people and enter the email and the permissions to the person that you want to share your calendar. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.